Two orange wires are connected at the top as requested. The Airbreaker is on. In eco mode, when throttling, there is a weird sound coming from the rotor, front rotor. Solar mobile app shows the diagnostics when throttling in eco mode. In sport mode, the same thing happens. Strange sound coming from the front sprocket chain area. Again, this is a Solar Motors app when throttling. In sport mode, I'm attempting to change the motor direction to 0 from 1. However, the same thing occurs. And here's the sound from the front sprocket motor area when throttling in sport or eco.